Hi, this is Santosh Kumar Saraf. Today I am going to explain a solution to the question that is taken from 8th class CBSE Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable Exercise 2.2. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakhs. So how many notes of each denomination does she have? Let us see the solution of 14th question. Here Lakshmi has a total cash of 4 lakhs rupees and it is divided into 3 denominations. So the denominations are 100 rupee notes and 50 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes. The ratio of number of notes is given by 2:3:5. Ratio does not give the actual number of notes. It is the comparison between the actual number of notes. Okay, so here we divide the actual number of notes with a common factor to get the ratio. So let the common factor be x and multiply x with each value in the ratio. So here 2 into x, 3 into x and 5 into x. So 2 into x will give the actual number of 100 rupee notes and 3x will give you the actual number of 50 rupee notes and 5x will give you the actual number of 10 rupee notes. Next, if you multiply the actual number of notes into its denomination, then you will get the value of the particular denomination. So here the value of 100 rupee notes is equal to number of notes into its denomination. That means 2x into 100 is equal to 200. So this gives the value of 100 rupee notes. And value of 50 rupee notes is equal to 3x into 50. That equal to 150x. 3x means the number of notes and 50 is its denomination. So after multiplying you will get 150x. Next, value of 10 rupee notes is equal to 5x into 10, that is 50x. So 5x is the number of notes and 10 is the value of denomination. Okay, so 5x into 10 is 50x. So here we have 3 denomination values. If you add up the 3 values, then you will get the total amount 4 lakhs. So here total cash is equal to 4 lakhs and add up the values of 3 denominations, then you will get 400x. 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. Next, x is equal to 4 lakhs by 400. X is equal to 1000. So this gives the number of notes. So here the number of 100 rupee notes is 2x. That is 2 into 1000 is 2000 notes. And number of 50 rupee notes is 3x. 3 into 1000 is 3000 notes. And number of 10 rupee notes is 5000. So 5000 notes. So here 2000 into 100 gives you 2 lakhs. 3000 into 50 gives you 1,50,000. 5000 into 10 gives you 50,000. If you add up those values, then you will get 4 lakhs. 2 lakhs plus 1,50,000, 3,50,000. 3,50,000 plus 50,000 will give you 4 lakhs. So like that you need to verify the answer. Thank you.